So 100 days ago I climbed my stairs to see how good or how bad my stamina is, and while I was walking I was saying these words, and I will say the exact same words now so you can hear from my breath whether it got any better or any worse or whatever. So I'm really excited to see, a little bit nervous because I'm not sure I did as much as I wanted in the physical, well, training exercise area, but I did some, and I walked a lot, so let's see. There we go. These are my stairs. I walk them every day, and as you can hear from my breath, I get out of breath. And what I wanted to show you is how good or how bad my stamina is, or I don't know what you call this. So this is what I look like and sound like after walking 4 stairs. It's not as bad as it was last time. Last time I was really dizzy, and okay, I'm a little bit out of breath, but not as much as last time. Hey, this is nice. Okay, so I will do a proper fitness test as well to see, well, yeah, like in a fitness school, in my own gym, to really see what happened. But I sound a lot better. So nice. See you.